Hi guys. Uh, this video is a notice to my subscribers that I am creating a new channel. The new channel will be called Dr. Arnold Solof. And basically, what I'm doing is I'm taking all my future videos that are medical topic related and posting them on that channel instead. I think there's a certain subset of my subscribers that are interested in that topic, and others who really are not interested in it. So, if you are interested in any future videos that I make medically related, you can find them on this new channel. Again, it's Dr. Arnold Solof. Thanks for watching. Bye.